If you've been looking for an affordable house to buy in Ghana, this house is for you. This is the two-bedroom terrace house located at Blue Gardens Estate off the Kasoa Winneba Road, and trust me, it's worth all your money. Let's go check it out. Welcome home. When you enter this house, the first thing you meet is this huge parking space over here. For a two-bedroom house, this land is really big. You can park about 4 or 5 or maybe even 6 cars in this parking space, and then you have all this green area around for you to use for whatever in the world you would like to use it for. Now let's go check out the house itself. When you're getting into the house, you have a little porch here where you can come stand and catch some views or say hi to your neighbor. It's a really good space. You can come here on a Sunday afternoon to relax. But now let's go check out the inside of the house. Okay, so we are greeted with this really good sized hall or living area. This space is big enough to even host all your friends and all your family. If you're having a small event, a very intimate event, this will be the perfect place to have it. It's big enough for you to have your TV on this wall, for you to have your full fitted couch over here. It's also big enough to have a dining area over here, and you could even have an office area right here. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this space. I actually love it. I think it's a great space for a two-bedroom house's living area. Now let's go check out the kitchen. The kitchen is always my favorite part of every house because that's where all the delicious food is made. Come with me. The first thing that I like about this kitchen is the wall tiles. It has this glossy white wall tiles that reflects light into the kitchen, and it also makes this place really cool. We also have this concrete worktop already made for you, so you are sure that you are not going to have any termites chewing on your kitchen cabinets if you have wooden kitchen cabinets here. There's a space provided for your stove to go over here. You can also put your fridge behind here if it's not big enough, or you could put your fridge on this wall. It's a great size, honestly, for a young family that is starting out in life. This space is not a bad place to be cooking your meals. Now let's go check out the two bedrooms that makes this house a two-bedroom house. Let's start with the first room. Oh, okay. As you can see, everything in this house is white because Ghana is hot, and if you pinch up your house any other color, you're going to be sweating bullets. So the white in here with the POP finish makes this room really cool. You can lay here in the afternoon without even turning on your AC, and you're going to be comfortable. But let's get back to the room. This room is a really good size. This is not the primary room. This is just one of the rooms in this house. It's big enough for you to have your bed against this wall, or against this wall, or against this wall, or against that wall, but this wall will ideally be for your TV, since you have the provisions made for you to plug in your TV here already. You also have a fitted fan, and you also have a switch for your AC already provided. So if you want to add an AC to this house, all you have to do is hook up your AC unit and you'll be good to go. Let's go check out the primary bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. So the difference between the primary bedroom and the other bedroom we just saw is that it has an ensuite. It's the same size as the other one, which is not bad, honestly. You can still have your bed here, have enough space for your wardrobe, your nightstands, and you have an ensuite, so you don't have to get out of bed at night to get out of your room to go use the bathroom. All you have to do is come in here into this well-lit, great space for bathing. You could even have 2 people in here at the same time. Mom can be taking a shower and dad can be using the toilet or brushing his teeth all at the same time. As you can see, all the bathroom fixtures have been provided for you. Everything is complete. You have provisions made for your water heater. All you have to do is hook up your water heater and you'll be good to go. Let me know what you think about this bathroom. I think this bathroom is really good. For a 2-bedroom house, this bathroom is a really good space because a lot of homes tend to have smaller bathrooms. So it's nice to have a good space where you can move around without feeling claustrophobic. So you're wondering, when the guests come home, what bathroom are they going to use, or what bathroom is the person that's going to be living in the other room that does not have the ensuite? And that's when the powder area comes in. So this house doesn't have just one bathroom. It has a separate toilet and a separate shower and a separate sink area for you. So your guests can be using the toilet over here, and you can have someone that maybe lives in the house taking their shower all at the same time. That is really cool. I think it's a great use of space. And this space over here for the sink is also great. Okay, so now let's go check out the backyard of this house and the green area. Now, this is the backyard for this two-bedroom house. Imagine all the space that you have behind your house, and it's connected to the kitchen. So if you're cooking some food that is like too strong, you can just open this door and enjoy this fresh air. And you can also come out here and come and pound your fufu. Your kids can come here and play. You can come here, put some chairs here, and just relax on a Sunday afternoon with some chilled mango juice. This is all the green area you have in this house. This area is huge. You can use this place for events. You can have a little garden here. You can transform this into a lawn, a playground for your kids. You could even have a mini basketball court on this land. And you are getting all this with just 750,000 Ghana cedis. A lot of people have to pay so much more to get a space like this in their house. There are several ways to pay for this house. You can pay it all outright, or if you cannot and you have some money saved and you'd like to pay the rest later, there are payment plan options for you. You can pay 20% deposit for this house and pay the 80% over 3 years, and this house will be all yours. Let me know what you think about this house in the comment section. I am Mami Sika, your #1 Kasoa ambassador. Remember that obra woara, but life is how you make it. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace. I'm out.